guys, welcome to the vlog. It's Max and it's JP.
What are all those buttons for?
Oh, let me like focus it on myself. Thank you.
So I can look.
Max over here got me a birthday present because my birthday was on Monday, and I got him a birthday present that I was supposed to give him at Quabbin, but I forgot to give it to him at Quabbin because I left it at home. So now I'm giving it to him today. So we're doing like a little mini gift exchange. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you already know what yours is. Yeah, show it.
Let's see what Christmas is.
Hey, look. It's a shirt.
It's an MF Cuber shirt.
Wow!
Thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, cool.
Show it to the camera.
Thank you, Max.
That's good.
Amazing golf video.
Hey, look, it's Luigi.
I have a whole, like, I got a diag swap.
Oh no, he's got a
Golf videos are the
diagonal.
stupidest videos ever, but they get views like crazy. Watch.
Olivia, and it's Spencer, and it's Ava,
Yeah, they do. They get
and it's Jason.
Isn't that why I made
It's Will. Look at the look of concentration on that guy's face. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy back at it again with another video. Look at Luigi's great average of 1,000.
Cuber here at the holiday. Hey guys, what's up? It's Luigi Cubes here, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Chi Wu Chui M.
Oh look, it's Livia Kleiner and Jay Paynoon. Back at it again with another video.
I'm not making a video.
He's slow. And this is Max, who's even slower. Whoa, are you like Luigi too?
I got a 2-move face into a Luigi face.
Slow.
This.
Outside when you guys go to school.
Not.
Same.
Like, I can't really even see my car.
I have to walk down my street and it's so horrible. See, I'm scared.
Oh my gosh, $7.97.
We should tilt these tables so they're closer in so people can hear better.
Nice job.
Oh my god, this is such a bad average.
Jameson, holy.
No. Oh, really cold? Okay. Yes, solid mid 11, no, high 11 average. Why, hello, good people. So, I just got like a solid 11.9 average. Really happy about it. Just kidding. I cried. Hi, you're okay, I'm just gonna check cube comps really quick. Holy crap. Guys, did you hear that Joe got a 547?
Show who?
Joe Mama!
Dang it,
Hey guys, what's up? Cracking the cube here.
And 7.
I'm practicing for 2x Rubik. Diane 2x Rubik. I'm really hyped because my first comp using EG1, so I might get good.
Pull on it.
No, that's the battery, Max.
Oh.
I thought that was Krish. Okay, see you.
Okay, so there are 2 2x2s here. We have the gold one 2x2 and the Weipo. This side is the Weipo, this side is the gold one.
Ooh, nice. I can't turn. My gosh, I can't even turn right.
And please bring your 2x2 to the
Patrick?
Hello, people of the internet. I just failed my 2x2 average too, because I also can't turn. I got a 3.3 average. I think it would have been like 2.8 without the +2, but I honestly couldn't even care. It's such a bad average. Stupid 2x2.
And I don't know why.
I need to do well in 4x4 because I only have 1 round to do well, rather than like 2 and 3. I have like. Hey guys, this is MF Cuber here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a.
Oh my god, stop.
Yeah, man. See, it's not even the same color.
I realize
These are
that.
cheese shades. Cheese shades are very nice. But I'm probably gonna re-sticker this.
With the same exact
Do you
shape.
think I could put ouchie stickers on this? I think so.
Wait.
No, I messed up Pilo parody. Oh, this is so loose. No, oh my god, that was so easy. Just knows the scramble's really easy. 4x4.
Wait, hold on, I can finish.
He is slow. Slow at Rubik. Max, are you triggered?
No.
See, look, the camera thinks you're triggered.
Like my consistency?
Possibly Kevin also.
Yep. Yes, fish.
Hello guys, so I just finished 4x4. I got... Why did he interrupt me? I'm triggered. I got 4671 average. Yes!
Oh, sorry.
It was a good average. So this is Luigi. Luigi's salty as hell right now.
48 average and a 35 single.
Hey, at least you got the single. You can get the average at lead.
Yeah, but when people go on my profile, they're like, what the hell, this kid sucks. This is a 48 average, but a 35 single.
Okay. So I recently have hacked into the mainframe of Livia's phone. Those are all the pictures of me that I took. Dude! How do you feel?
I am checking to see how.
Are you invaded?
Put the camera on.
Wait, I have like no memory left.
Yay! My mission succeeded.
That was like,
Max, what do you have to say?
I'm just gonna wait till this.
Bathroom.
You have to go to the bathroom? Help me. That was dangerous. You could have killed you. Yes.
Is this your phone, Chris?
No, it's Luigi. Oh, let's hack it.
Don't let Luigi take my...
Hey, what even is a Snapchat? I don't have it. He's some kind of butt fungus or something? Ooh. Wow. Good job, Arian. Very good. Luigi, how do you feel about me hacking your phone?
I feel very, what's the word?
Invaded?
Not invaded.
Triggered?
Not triggered. Feministic. Is that even a word? Wait, let me show you one last layer. Okay, so you have this case, right?
Yes.
So usually you do that. I know. You do like this. You did an axe swap, right?
That's stupid.
So then you want to do. Wait, Krish. Wait, Krish's fans. Case and cute fans. So you just do anti-soon, and you do this case, and you get a J-perm.
Are we filming stuff?
No. People go.
I'm ready.
Go.
I'm ready.
Can you
What
solve
the heck is that?
edgeless Mega Man?
The unedgy Megaminx. Luigi is too edgy.
Blindfolded. Oh, I didn't know that.
Blindfolded.
Isn't that on the wrong way? Just do it behind your back.
Dude, why'd you just pick up my computer?
I don't know. Go.
Drop his computer. If you drop my computer, I will end
Is it solved yet?
No. Sure, man.
Is it solved yet?
Yes, it is.
Okay. That's a +2.
Segway.
Okay. So Max is showing Luigi my cringy video.
Your voice is so high. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, Chris Tuber here. Chris Tuber 1, 2, 3.
I'm grooving.
Challenges. It's the same salt I used earlier, right? Oh, that's just a checkerboard.
And more. Wow, look at the
Look at
more.
the pure scramble.
I know. I'm really bad. Yeah, this is my first ever video. I might do a reaction video to this.
Hello, hello, Chris.
Whoa, is this Luigi?
I just did a lefty GA perm.
Lefty GA?
Like R2 F2, like
You're
L2 F2.
cool. My thing's not there. Whoa, are you parody enamel?
This is a very OP 5x5 heat.
You just said enamel.
And yes.
AP, would you mind repeating that again for the camera?
I kind of don't want to make cutoff for 5x5s because I really need to take a dump.
Okay. Consistently going down. Yeah. Well, 5 last one? No. No. Second. Okay, so I just finished 5x5. I think I got like a 154 average, which is pretty meh. Olivia, say hi.
Hola.
Como estas?
Bien.
We both take French. Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles?
I don't take French because it's stupid.
Je suis, de pomme de terre.
Oh, you're a potato?
Julie.
Papaya.
Okay, bye. I'm excited for OH. Just kidding. OH is stupid. Oh, I accidentally stopped the timer. No, that was gonna be so good. That was gonna be so fun. Okay, so you guys probably just saw that horrible OH average. If I didn't DNF, I would have gotten like a 24.87 average, which I'm really pissed off about, so I cry. But next is Pyraminx, so I'm really nervous and I need to practice. Sam Schultz! Crap, I messed up. No! Oh, that lock. Wait, counting 2.4. Why, hello, my friends. So I just finished Pyraminx. I'm very happy about my average. I got 344 average, and I got a counting 2.4.
Olivia, how do you take?
Oh, hello. Oh, come on.
That is so good.
Yeah, I'll be happy with that. There.
Wait a minute.
Aryan? Yes. Counting 8.
Well done.
Yes.
What's the...
Yes! Yeah! What did you get? No. Yes, PB average. It's a guaranteed 2.2 average. That just makes it look good.
Nice single.
Well, hello. I just finished 3x3 round 2 and 2x2 finals, and I did so well. I got a 9.11 average in 3x3, which is awesome. My first sub 10, I had 2 counting 8s, and then in 2x2, I got a 2.19 average. So yeah, I'm really happy, and I podiumed in 2x2 and Pyra. So yay, I'm happy now. Okay, so Luigi, how have you been doing so far?
I got a 2 flat average in 2x2.
Hey!
And the last scramble was a 2 move side.
Yeah. Oh, +2. What'd you get? It's counting. What did you get, Chris? 8. So I just finished 3x3 finals, and I'm super happy because I most likely podiumed. I got a 927 average, so that means I podiumed in 3 events. I got second in Pyra, second in 2x2, and third in 3x3. So I don't know what to say. Honestly, this has been my best comp ever performance-wise, and I'm just super happy.
Second place in Pyraminx was Shah-Nathwani.
Yay!
And second in 2x2 is Shah-Nathwani.
Hey.
Again, our 5x5 podium. Our 4x4 podium. And once again, our 3x3 one-handed podium.
Third place in 3x3 is Shah-Nathwani.
Our 3x3 podium.